Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new point of view in the Bugatti. Honestly, look at it now. Right, so since my last POV, we've done quite a few things to the car. We've got some new Wolf Race Eurosport wheels on. We've got some Bridgestone tyres on. They are very grippy, very nice. We've obviously got a Maxton Design splitter, side skirt, sorry. And yeah, this is my Corsa so far, boys. There you go. So let's actually hop in the car. Let's go for a drive. You can see it beading. Woo! God damn, it is beading. Beading for days, fam. Ugh. Right, just pulled into B&Q's car park to start the video. Let's hear this bad boy if you haven't heard it before. Ready? Let's roll down the windows. Oh, don't want to get copyrighted. Ready? God damn. God damn. See how we got the beads on the windows? Look at this. Look at how nice that is. That is some beautiful ceramic water repellent kind of things right there. A lot of people said this actually. Let me quickly hop out the car. A lot of people saying that my new wheels look the same as my old ones. I think they look sexy as shit, and I think they look a little bit different, not too much different, but let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. You know, I actually really like them. I think people call them similar because it's a black wheel. I'm not gonna go for a fucking gold wheel on a white and black car. But yeah, I think any black wheel would have been called similar to my other one. But I'm very happy with this one. It's like, you guys know, I don't like to go flashy on this car. I like to go red brake calipers, that's about it, you know. So let's get out of here now. God, I didn't even reach 10 miles per hour there. Jeez. Gonna let this ambulance go because I'm slow as shit. Oh, he's got his lights on. Fuck it. Maybe we should follow him. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, boys. So we are now in town right now, and actually something I didn't point out is we actually got the new steering wheel cover on the car now. So like this bit. Woo! We've got an Alcantara there, and then we got the perforated bag. I got it. This is actually perforated leather with a centre line, and then Alcantara wheel. So this is gonna be the first video you guys have seen POV wise with this new steering wheel. Oh my god, the traffic is fucking awful, mate. Honestly, look at the fucking traffic, man. I hate this. Oh my days. Jeez, that was tight. My days. Okay, boys, we're back on the road, and I don't know if you can tell, but there is actually a bag in the passenger seat with loads of tools in, because I'm actually fitting a lock to my door. Like, I know that's bloody interesting as shit. This is a car channel and I'm fitting a lock to my door, but yeah, I am. There is actually a speed camera here, so we'll be careful about that. Don't want to get caught speeding, do we, boys? Yo, shout out to bikers, man. I want the bloody bike. I want a bike. Come on, Corsa gang. I want a bike. Like, truly, I think having a bike is so cool. And I don't have a bike, you know, but I do want one. Downshift, because we're in a race car, boy. Proper slow down. Skirt. It's wet today, so lucky we have the new tyres on. You know, with my old tyres, they were getting a bit bold, so you did feel it slip around a little bit, even in this little Corsa. This wanker behind me in a BMW. Fam, he wafts over these speed bumps. I actually have to slow down, or else it'll feel like World War II, you know. If I put my granddad in here, he'd probably think it's World War II going over those speed bumps compared to that. We're going to go right at this roundabout. Voila. Come on then, boss man, hurry up. I know you're driving a fucking tank around. That's probably insulted like 50 Defender fanboys, you know. On every single POV, I like, people want me to like thrash my car. Yo, if it wasn't my car, I would thrash it. But since it's my car, I don't like thrashing it. I don't accelerate hard, I don't brake hard. I've said this so many times. I'm just not, I don't know. I just don't want to have those repair bills. Because this is a Corsa at the end of the day, boys. It's not a Ferrari. If somebody sneezes on the wheel, you break a control arm, trust me. Yo, these roads right here, if you look to the left, hold on. This would be good if I had a 360 camera, but I don't. This road is fucking scary as shit. Literally, if you go off one of these fucking things, you can say goodbye and you're fucking Indiana Jones, mate. Trust me. Like, you are going down to the tombs. You're like, this little bit, hold on, I gotta slow down here. It don't really give you much warning that there is a massive Mount Everest looking ass drop down the side. This, I've drove on this in the ice. This is some scary ass bullshit. It's quite weird though, because you think that you're like not on like a normal level ground, but you're not. You're actually, fam, it looks like we're in the clouds. Oh my god, look, can you see? Look. Oh my god, we are so high up. Yo, that's mad, that's my shit. That really nice roads though. Look. Only doing 40, but yo, this is like the maddest hill in all of the Hobbit land. Look at this. I mean, fucking hell. Like, I'm in third gear and it's dragging my ass down. Fucking Nora. I can just see, you know, your brakes overheating. Just imagine your brakes overheated. Fucking hell. Imagine your brakes overheated and then you just rolled straight down the hill and you can do shit about it. You'd have to use the handbrake. Yo, so what I've got to do so far in the car, I've got to do one thing that's an advisory from the MOT. Because if you guys didn't know, I got the MOT before. There's one thing that I need to do on the car, and that is change brake fluid. A lot of people are saying that I can't change the brake fluid, but I'm pretty certain I can, especially on my own. I don't think it's a rocket science. Like, I think changing the exhaust is probably harder than changing the brake fluid, but look at this. God, got the grippy tyres, fam. Usually with my old tyres, you literally feel that coming out a little. Trust me, that shift light's going to turn off in a second when I actually start getting up this hill. I'm going to listen it. My car really, really struggles, fam. I don't want no performance car. I just want a car that can do hills. Oh, I need to change down a gear. That was too early. Jeez. Get off my road, the wanker. I think I was on this side of the road, to be honest, but nah, action replay, I don't know. I don't think I was. These tyres are really good. I mean, I had the old tyres on for 2 years of my life, you know, and they were already wearing thin, so to have these tyres on that are really good right now, that's mad. Let's go. Let's catch up with this car. Yo, I love driving. I love driving. You know, you guys see my diet, I never have to like blur it out. You know, if you guys don't have a car yet, trust me, when you get it, you know, avoiding all the bills and stuff that comes out of it, you know, it's sick. It's fucking sick. if you guys are not happy in life, boys, you know, I want to give you guys some little motivational speech bullshit things. If you're not happy in life, you know, tell the boys and I, you know, we're here for you. You know, sometimes in life when I you know, I've got happy in life, I'm quite happy guy, I don't think I'm ever really sad or anything, but when I am, or when I'm just meh, you know what I mean, you know, when you're just going through life and it just feels like you're doing the same bullshit every single day, that's the kind of thing that I get. I don't get sad, I don't get angry, quite a peaceful guy, you know. Yeah, when I get in the mood where I'm like meh, got everything, you know, just doing the same shit every single day, because life gets boring sometimes, even when you're doing this YouTube stuff, you know. You just got to plan something out. I mean, at least that's what gets me happy. You know, you got to plan stuff out. You got to plan stuff in the future that you're excited, you're motivated to do. You know, you're getting a new PS5, getting a new car. Reward yourself, you bastard. There's always people who have it so much fucking worse than, you know, us. We have it so good. If you're watching this video, you have it so fucking good, you know. I really am not a good inspirational speaker. Look at it. You know what? I'm actually quite happy to have God pissing down on me right now, because you know what? It has been so hot this year. By the time I've finished with the day, I just feel like going inside and taking off all my clothes and standing in front of a fan all day. That's what I feel like. You know, to have this quite nice, cold, rainy weather is really nice to me, to be honest. Come on. There you have it, boys. I cannot wait to get back home and have a cheeky wank. Is it just me? Okay, alright boys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's POV. Sorry, my camera died yet again. You know what, I do have spare batteries, but they broke. Both GoPro's spare batteries broke, so bit annoying, so But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's POV. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, you know. Hopefully gonna do one soon, you know, maybe in the night again. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for all the support on the channel. Really do appreciate it, for real. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. Wow.